ang unang gagawin mo kung pangarap mong pumunta dito sa Canada is identify the NOC code. If you're not familiar of NOC code, I strongly suggest to join our free webinar this coming Friday, 11 p.m. with my partner, Miss Amelia Ajo, our licensed immigration consultant. So the reason why we want you to identify your NOC code, because for a few reasons. Number one, if you know your NOC code, you will be able to say na, oh, etong NOC code ko ay eligible to this program because some program are very specific kung anong NOC code lang ang pwede mag-apply. Example, for Nova Scotia, Critical Construction Worker Pilot, nakalagay dito yung mga NOC pwedeng mag-apply or eligible to this program. NOC 710, 711, 7211, 72014, or contractor supervisor, 720 is contractor supervisor, electrical trades, and telecommunication occupation. So those are the NOC code. So just imagine this, you're applying to immigrate to Canada pero hindi mo alam ang NOC code ng trabaho mo. So that's the first thing. If you want to immigrate here in Canada, ano ang NOC mo? So I want you to comment below ano yung NOC code mo. And probably we have a job employment for you. Baka ikaw yung hinahanap namin. So if you are looking for job opportunities in Canada, I want you to comment below right now your NOC code. And if you find it difficult to get the right NOC for you, join our free webinar this coming Friday, 11 p.m. Halifax time. That's Saturday, 10 in the morning, with my partner, Miss Amelia Ajok, our licensed immigration consultant dito sa Community Canada. Once again po mga Kap, it's Kap Joey, the co-founder of Community Canada. Sabi nga, kapit lang at magkita-kita tayo dito sa Canada.